How to turn off notifications on Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn them down. First of all, go to this website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on your profile name. Here there's a section called My Account. Simply tap on My Account. So basically we're in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the third option, tap on notifications. So basically this is the place where you can turn it down. Here there are different categories too. So it's up to you and you can simply tap on the one that you want to switch it off. So here I'm tapping on one and at last you can go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.